my name is Jake, and I will be showing you a quick tour of Levion, which is an online QuickBooks integration that actually allows you to keep your desktop QuickBooks program and files intact. What makes Levion different is that it just works. There are no complicated setup steps or interfaces to get familiar with. You could say, everything is intuitive. Let's get started. I have already installed QuickBooks on a Windows PC, and now I want to sync my QuickBooks file up with Levion for access online. The linking process takes a couple of minutes, and you will see the nice little progress bar that actually helps you with a time estimate. You can see the file is currently linked up. It's time to see this baby in action. This is my Mac, and I want to access QuickBooks from the local coffee shop where I sit down and unwind every day after work. I simply log into Levion, and voila, there it is, access to my QuickBooks. Now if you look to the top left, you can see the company we're using, Levion, and if you look to the top right, you can see the user who is logged in, which is me, Jake. I'm going to walk you through creating a new customer to show you how intuitive it actually is. Now you can see to the left of the screen, customers, accounts, estimates, sales orders, invoices, received payments, and new items. Let's create the new customer and see how easy it really is. Simply click on the customer, and this can be done in your standard internet browser. This means you can access it from your iPad or iPhone, Android device, or any other device that runs Safari, Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome. You can see at the top it says New, and that this is a draft, and the document is not recorded. This means that this document is still in the draft phase and has not been recorded. Simple enough. Now I type in the name and all the usual components I would type into QuickBooks. I even have the option to type a quick note. Now it's time to save the draft. Since it is a draft, it is not going to store it into QuickBooks quite yet, but rather store it on the Levion account for immediate or future use. It's going to let us know that this is still a draft. If you want to edit the draft, just click Edit at the top. Now here's where the magic happens. To see this magic, I'm going to have to show you a split view of both QuickBooks and the Levion software. So here they both are. Now look closely. There it is. You can see that a new customer was created in QuickBooks. Back to Levion. Since the customer has been applied to QuickBooks, it is no longer in the draft state. Now let's take a look at what a customer looks like in Levion. Simply click on the Customers tab on the right side. If I want to edit a customer, I just click on the customer, and there's all the information we just entered. Simply edit it, save the draft, and apply changes. Again, it was updated in both Levion and in the QuickBooks file. Now you can see a new tab has shown up, Revisions. What could be in there? Past revisions. Still super simple. The revisions are unique to Levion. They do not exist in QuickBooks. Revisions exist on all documents created in Levion. They even show who made the revision. This is especially useful when trying to revert back to an earlier version or simply just to keep honest employees honest. QuickBooks has now become auditable. You can even set user permissions. Yay! I would take you through the rest of the features, but they are so intuitive that I don't think you need my help. If you do, feel free to call us for completely free customer support. We hope you have fun trying out Levion free of charge. Please like our video, and hopefully you're able to focus now on what you're actually passionate about. Thank you for watching.